Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will continue exploring how generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Cloud handle SQL queries, specifically aggregations, having, and order by clauses. Let's dive in the fresh examples. Okay, so in our previous video, we looked at a basic SQL queries. Today, we will step it up. Okay, let's start with the simple aggregations task. Like, imagine we have the products table and we want to know how many products are in each category, and we also want to order the results by the number of products in descending order, right? So yeah, that's what we want. So I given the questions here like that is the count the number of products in each category and orders by product count descending, right? So what it given here is so ChatGPT it's generating the query here. So here's the ChatGPT response and it correctly uses the count and the group by and orders, right? The results are using the order by. So notice how it even names the columns clearly, right? So something beginners often overlook, right? So yeah, now next I have given like let's filter the categories that have more than 10 products, right? So this is where the having clause comes in, and common point of confusion for SQL learners is that ChatGPT handles this perfectly, right? Yes, you can look at here. And now let's move to something more advanced, like suppose like we have an orders table and we want to calculate the monthly sales for each customer alongside the previous month sales, right? So ChatGPT uses a common table expression to do it very neatly. So it uses CTE here, right? Yeah, notice how it uses the lag functions to handle the previous month comparisons and is null to fill the missing values, right? Yes, so the ChatGPT can optimize the queries to avoid the CTE and do everything in one step. Here, like I given to optimize the query. Okay, it do everything in one step using the window functions directly, right? So let's run the same prompts with the cloud. Okay. For the basic aggregations, okay, and all, look at this one. Aggregations, I have run the same thing in the cloud. This is also similar compared to the chat GPT. And yeah, okay. So the aggregations and having queries, okay, for the basic things, cloud answers are very similar to ChatGPT. This and this is and all right. So, but for the monthly sales calculations, Cloud structures the query a bit differently. Correct? Yeah. So Cloud achieves the same results, but directly uses the main query, avoiding a CTE entirely. This can make queries simpler and sometimes more efficient, right? So, yeah, what did we learn today here with this video? So, both ChatGPT and Cloud handles aggregations, grouping, having, and order by really very well, right? So, for more complex scenarios like monthly sales comparisons, ChatGPT tends to use CTE first and then optimizes to window functions, right? Yes, and Cloud often skips the CTE and goes straight to window functions, simplifying the structures. Both are valid. It depends on your style and readability preferences, right? If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and let me know in the comment if which AI you would trust more for SQL queries, okay? ChatGPT or Cloud. See you in the next video.